Good morning, people and viewers to the channel. This is Radio Jonesy. Back down to the boat ramp for a quick look. Middle of winter, middle of July. Well, early July. Definitely cold, but let's have a quick look down here. So what's that? That's about, it's not fully low tide, or there's a big log on the beach there. But it's looking pretty good. Turn the air conditioning off. Yeah, got the drummer boy's kicking in, is he? Nope. There's some nice little waves there. This is probably one of my favourite places. If you're regular to my channel, you'll hear me say that quite regularly. Bit cold to be fishing. No one on the jetty there. No one on the other jetty either. Actually, not even a car up here. Let's go to the other side. There's Emmy Bay. There's some nice little waves actually. Oh, the sound of the waves, you can't beat it. There's the ship out there on the horizon waiting to come in. Sitting out there, waiting his turn to come into port. Oh, look, I got the seagulls landed on my bonnet, but I have none of that today. Sound of the waves. Hello, what have we got up here? A couple of rocks. Now this is different. See why it's one of my favourite places. Yeah, I just like showing you the local hangouts. Yes, very nice. There goes a wave rolling by. No one out here. Very cute, very nice. Tell you what, it's relaxing. Yeah, just another quick little look down here at the Emu Bay Beach, Harbour Beach. Down here before I've got to go somewhere to earn a few dollars, but hey, it's what you got to do this time of year. Just thought I'd bring you along for the little bit of a early morning look at the water in the middle of winter. There was one surfer out there before, but he was only catching a small waves, but he was having a bit of fun. Always good to see down here because we don't usually get the waves, but on the mainland they're getting a huge east coast low, not thunderstorm, but stormy weather. There's huge seas and rain, and it's chaotic up on the east coast of Australia. So down the bottom here, we just get a little bit of it, but hey, it's just looks like snow weather, doesn't it? But as I put you back into the cradle, all right, guys, thanks for coming along for the journey. In the comments, you could tell me where you're watching. Always like to see what part of the world people are tuning in. Till we meet again, this is Radio Jonesy. Ciao.